how to export all this customers' details in Tally through Excel. Open Tally. From the gateway of Tally, go to Display More Reports. Then select Statutory Reports. GST Reports. GST Utilities. Now click on Validate Party. In the Name of Group field, select Sundry Debtors. In the Name of Ledger field, choose All Items. Press Ctrl+C to open the Export menu. Now click on Configure. Go to Export Settings. Choose Excel as the format. Set the folder path where you want to save the file. Enter a file name of your choice. Press Ctrl+A to save the settings. Finally, click on Export. Your Excel file with all the customers' details is now ready.